Hello, this is your girl pvssology, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you know exactly when I'm uploading new content. I'm on View today, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do a club-inspired fit. Now, this fit is obviously looking like she's ready to go to the club, ready to go to a party or something, some type of event. So, what I was going to do is kind of make it more lively. I like how it looks now, but it's giving me kind of goth vibes, and that's not the look I'm going for right now. So let's go and see who I derive from. The person I derived from is Marisha, and this is a RLL fit, but this is the RL texture. Either way, it works well. It's 3 parts to it. So this is the front, this is the back, and this is, I guess, I would say where the mesh sleeves is at. And that's all you would have to download, so it's only 3 parts, very simple. And yes, the derive fee is pretty high, but it will be worth it in the end once the fit comes out really nice. The product ID number is below. You can click derive from product. So let's go into Gimp. So we're in Gimp. I have the front, back, and the mesh. So this is what it looks like. It looks really nice pink, though. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really, really nice pink. But I am going to change that color to something else. So what I'm gonna do is click on colors, colorize. I'm just gonna go to something simple. Gray. Filters, repeat colorize. Filters, repeat colorize. Okay. So now I'm gonna go file, open as layer, desktop, go to my textures file, and we're gonna look at some textures. I did want to do something floral. This is really nice. I downloaded some other patterns. I have like butterfly patterns as well. It's really nice. I think that's like springish vibes. And then you have exotic, which I think it looks really nice. I might try that one. And then I have feathers as well. So the patterns are very different. I have more butterfly patterns. This is just a pattern I like. You can see that on some jeans. And then I have the marble, which I like marble. And I think this is the color I'm gonna go for. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to resize this. Now, I told you guys, if you see the texture is thin and skinny, you do 300 over 600, because it'll get it perfectly. So I'm about to show you exactly what I'm talking about. When I scale the layer, I click 300 over 600. And it gets it perfectly. It's not too small, it's not too big. It's just perfectly, it perfectly fits. And then I'm playing with the opacity. It's a nice pattern, but it's not giving me what I want. And you could already see that. So, I will be undoing this. Undo, undo, undo. And I'm gonna pick something else. Open as layer. You know what? Since I've been into cow prints, I don't mind using a cow print right now. So I think I'm gonna go for the cow hide. I just love the texture of it. 300 over 600. And I'm gonna play with the opacity. because I still have wrinkles in it, I could keep going. It's not taking away any of the wrinkles. But I'm going to do 61.6. Okay, now what I'm going to do is drop it. It's just easier that way. I'm going to do the same thing for this. So layer, merge down, layer, merge down. I'm going to enhance it, sharpen. Okay. Filters, repeat, sharpen. And I'm going to overwrite these. Now I'm not going to do anything with the other texture yet. Just want to leave that there. And I'm going to overwrite. Export. And I'm going to see what this looks like in VU. So we are back in VU. Sorry about the load. This is the front of the dress. And this is the back of the dress. I'm gonna apply changes. It's not giving me what I want at all. It doesn't look bad, but I think it's the color. I think I need to add some color to this. So I'm gonna go back into Gimp and undo. Going to File, Open as Layer. And I'm going to pick something different. That's not bad. And I'm not going to stretch it at all. I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm going to play with the opacity. And I'm going to play with the color as well. Ooh, green looks nice. So it gives us a little bit of color, and then I'm going to drop it. Put it here. Layer, merge down. Layer, merge down. And now I'm going to sharpen it. Enhance, sharpen. Looks good to me. Filters, repeat, sharpen. And I'm going to overwrite these. Now let's go into View to see what this looks like. So we're in View again. That looks way better, way better. It looks, I love it, I love it, I love it. Now what I'm going to do is, I think I want to do the mesh the same color as this top here. So let's go back into Gimp to see. So we're back in Gimp. I am going to use the dropper tool to get this exact color. So I click on the dropper tool, I click on the color I want, click on the the bucket tool thing, click on the square here and press OK, just to make sure. Here I just put it in its place, and then I overwrite. Export. Now let's go into view to see what it looks like. Okay, I'm back in Imvu. This is where the mesh goes. This is the color that was it's the same here. Apply changes. Wow, that's really cute. I love it already. And then up here, I'm trying to figure out this color up here, the top. I'm assuming it's this. Let's see if it is. I'm hoping that it is. Yeah, I'm hoping that it is. If not, I could always change it back to black. I'm definitely going to change it back to black. Figure out. Okay, so I know exactly where I went wrong. As you can see, I only did the bottom part, I didn't do the top part as well. So that's where I went wrong at. So I had to go back into Gimp to fix it. So let's overwrite these all over again. What's the top of the dress? And then once I'm done, it should be not mad at it at all. When you're creating, you're gonna make mistakes, as you can see. I'm not gonna edit out the mistakes because this is like real stuff here. But I actually love how it looks, and I would add this to my shop too. Probably would do some heels with it or boots, high heel boots with it. At least the same color as the mesh part. But I actually really love this. It's giving me everything that I want it to give. This is the club ready fit. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you know exactly when I'm uploading new content. And have a nice day.